Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Nuroum C46 All-in-One meeting camera, a device redefining hybrid collaboration. Today, we're diving deep into every aspect, from the unboxing experience to real-world performance. Whether you're a CEO, educator, or remote worker, this review will show you why the C46 might just be your next essential tool. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. First impressions are everything, and the Nuroum C46 makes a strong statement with its clean, minimalist packaging that exudes professionalism. Inside the box, everything is neatly organized. The camera itself, a USB-C to USB-A cable for seamless connectivity, a compact remote control for added convenience, a power adapter, and a straightforward quick start guide. There are no unnecessary extras, just the essentials for a smooth, frustration-free setup that lets you get started right away. It's clear that Nuroum prioritized both style and practicality from the very first unboxing. The device exudes a premium feel thanks to its sophisticated two-tone design, featuring a matte gray finish and subtle mesh accents that seamlessly blend into any setting. On the top panel, you'll find 4 strategically placed microphones, a tactile volume switch, a dedicated microphone mute button, and an LED indicator that changes color to reflect mute status. The front houses the high-quality lens, while the built-in speaker ensures clear audio output. At the base, a USB Type-C port and power input provide convenient connectivity, alongside a universal tripod thread for added flexibility. It's evident that Nuroum placed a strong emphasis on versatility, ensuring the camera is ready to perform straight out of the box. Getting the C46 up and running couldn't be simpler. Just mount it on your laptop or display, connect the USB-A cable, and you're set. No tedious driver installations or additional software required. It's true plug-and-play convenience. Your device detects it instantly, making setup nearly effortless. Compatible with Windows, macOS, and even smart TVs, the C46 delivers seamless performance across platforms. Whether you're jumping into a last-minute video call, streaming content, or teaching a virtual class, this camera adapts instantly. No fuss, just reliable functionality. Perfect for professionals, educators, or anyone who values quick, hassle-free tech. Now let's discuss the visuals. It is equipped with non-distortion 8-megapixel Sony sensor with f1.8 aperture and 120-degree field of view. The 4K UHD resolution truly stands out. Notice the exceptional sharpness, with no blurring even when zoomed in. Skin tones appear natural, and the camera seamlessly adjusts to mixed lighting conditions. For fields like design, engineering, or education, this level of clarity is indispensable. Whether you're sharing blueprints, intricate artwork, or detailed lab experiments, every fine detail remains crisp and visible. Next, we have the hi-fi speakers and noise-reducing microphones. This device is coupled with 4 360-degree microphones. The dual 5-watt speakers produce rich, room-filling sound, while the AI-powered mics intelligently isolate voices from background noise. Now let's put it to the test.
So we'll go live in 25 minutes. It will go live at 9 o'clock, and then at 8:50, okay, which is in 15 minutes, we'll give you the live quiz information so that you can actually join the live quiz in advance. So right after we begin the live battle, you can actually start answering questions, okay?
Even in loud settings, your team hears you clearly without distractions. The microphones offer a 5 meters pickup range, making them perfect for large conference rooms and expansive meeting tables. Now here is my final verdict. The Nuroum C46 isn't just another webcam. From unboxing to daily use, it's built to simplify hybrid collaboration. With 4K resolution, studio-grade audio quality, and AI-powered smarts, it's a worthy upgrade for teams, educators, and creatives. Now the question is, are you ready to elevate your online meetings? The Nuroum C46 are now available at an exclusive discount on major deal websites. Don't miss this amazing opportunity to experience the all-in-one 4K meeting camera. No doubt, this is an easy recommendation. Act fast and grab yours today. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the description below. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Nuroum C46 All-in-One meeting camera. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!